In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Shopee using Gcash in just about 5 minutes. Shopping online has never been easier, and with Gcash, your checkout process on Shopee can be both seamless and secure. Let's dive into the steps to make your shopping experience smooth. First, navigate your browser to the Shopee Philippines website. This is crucial because Gcash payments are specifically supported on the Philippine version of Shopee, catering to the local market with this convenient payment option. Once you're on the Shopee homepage, you'll need to access your account to proceed with any purchase. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will bring up several login options. For many users, the quickest way to log in is through Google, especially if your Shopee account is linked to your Google account. So go ahead and click on Google among the options presented for logging in. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose which Google account you'd like to use for logging in. Click on your desired account to move forward. You might be prompted to confirm your choice or enter your password, depending on your current login status on your browser. If so, click Continue after the necessary authentication to proceed to your Shopee account dashboard. Once logged in, it's time to review your cart before making a payment. Look for the cart icon, which is typically at the top right corner next to the login section. Click on it to see the items you've selected for purchase. Inside your cart, make sure to verify the items you're about to purchase. This step is essential to ensure you're paying for the right items and the correct quantities. Ready to pay? Head to checkout by clicking on the checkout link. This action will bring you to a page where you can review your order summary, including your shipping details. Now, for the payment part, scroll down to the payment options section at the bottom of the page and click on Change to select your preferred payment method. In the list of available payment methods, you'll find Payment Center / e-wallet as one option. Click on it to unveil the different e-wallets supported by Shopee. From the listed e-wallet options, select Gcash. By choosing Gcash, you'll be prompted to enter your Gcash details for payment. Make sure you have sufficient balance in your Gcash account to cover the purchase. Finally, after selecting Gcash and ensuring all your order details are correct and your shipping address is accurate, click on Place Order. This action will redirect you to the Gcash payment portal where you'll authenticate and confirm your payment. And that's it. You've successfully made a payment on Shopee using Gcash. Remember, it's always important to keep an eye out for confirmation emails from Shopee about your order and payment status. This will help you keep track of your purchase and know when to expect your items. Happy shopping!